Welcome everyone to the 2021 Spring Refresher webinar brought to you by the Fire Environment Continuing Education Subcommittee. We've got 5 distinguished speakers presenting today, each with a long history of supporting fire managers with their own unique skills. We're glad you're all with us today. We've got a few more folks rolling in, but it is the top of the hour, so we will go ahead and get started. Our speakers today are Brent Wachter, U.S. Forest Service, North Ops Predictive Services Meteorologist out of Redding, California. Peter Lom, Air Resource Specialist for the U.S. Forest Service, State and Private Forestry, Fire and Aviation Management in Washington, D.C. Russ Parsons, Research Ecologist with U.S. Forest Service, Rocky Mountain Research Station and Fire Sciences Lab in Missoula. Rick Stratton, Fire Analyst for Planning and Budget for the U.S. Forest Service, Fire and Aviation Management, National Headquarters, serving virtually in Missoula. And Wesley Hall, Fire Application Specialist for the Wildland Fire Management RDNA. Wes is also our host, and he will kick off our event and provide webinar support. I'm Diane Rao, Fire Tech Transfer Specialist for the Wildland Fire Management RDNA, and I'll be moderating the webinar today. Tammy Parkinson, Fire Application Specialist for the Wildland Fire Management RDNA, and Ron Steffens, Fire Manager for the U.S. Forest Service, Bridger Teton National Forest, will help moderate by facilitating the question and answer session at the end.
There we go. All right, thank you everybody again. Just so you know a little bit of who we are, what we do, we are the Fire Environment Continuing Education Subcommittee, previously the Advanced Fire Environment Learning Unit. Under NWCG, we are underneath the Offense or Fire Environment National Committee, and our job is to provide continuing education for the folks regarding fire behavior, fire occurrence, weather, smoke, assessment tools, all the analyst types, via LTANs, IMETs, FBANs, SOPLs, in really anybody involved in the fire environment or curious about the fire environment. There's quite a few fire managers that attend these webinars, as well as agency administrators, land officers, and that sort of thing. Our goal with the subcommittee is to nurture new knowledge, stimulate innovation, and share new ideas and skills, bringing people together with peers and other professionals and researchers. With that, Diane, I'll pass it back to you, and we'll get started today.
Great, thanks, Wes. Let's get started with our speakers then.